Say hi.
Hi friends.
See here and say hi to your friends.
Hi friends.
What you are doing, Alia?
Puppet.
Puppet. What you are doing? Puppet. Acha, both are doing puppets?
Yeah.
Show the puppet. Very good. Show your puppet. Very good. Start from first. We'll show Alia's puppet. How she will do. You get ready till that time. The puppet is doing Alia. How she is doing. See friends. Enjoy it. Over. Show puppet to the friends. Complete it and show it.
And get bloody. Hey, I not get bloody.
Wait. I'll show you. The puppet video goes to a Samad. Say hi Samad. Hi to your friends. And Samad will going to show how to play the puppet. Start. Is this the way of playing puppet?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Do it. Faster. Complete it.
Feeders going.
Yes. Very good. You complete the puppet.
No, I not.
No. Alia completed the puppet. And you are going to have to complete the puppet. And say the colors of the puppet. And say the colors of the puppet to the friends. The friends will going to see how you'll tell the colors. Samad, tell the colors first.
Red, orange,
Very good.
yellow,
Very good.
green,
Very good.
blue,
Very
purple.
good. Very good. The puppet goes to 6 colors. Tell me the colors.
Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue, and that. That.
You forgot the color of it. It's a purple.
Purple.
Very good.
Red.
Say bye to the friends, both of you. Bye friends. Take care. Please subscribe. Please subscribe our channel. Bye.